Alright, we're back, everybody. It's Captain of Industry, Supporter Edition. We are now building up our economy and our industrial empire here. And let's see. What do we all need? To drive some additional efficiencies. I think we're actually doing pretty good with materials. Looks like coal is definitely something we need to increase our capacity of. We're going to start running lower on our steam production here if we don't do that. I'm going to cut the boost on this smokestack. I don't really know if we're going to need it. Yeah, it looks like we're able to just exhaust this normally. Our standard exhaust here looks to be handling the capacity just fine. This thing is down to 25%, 28%. Yeah, we're still doing plenty of capacity there. We're not even able really to keep up here. Missing here. It does not look right. We're needing some limestone brought here. It should be coming in on this conveyor, but I see that it's not. This conveyor doesn't look like it was properly constructed. Kind of weird. That should fix that issue. Just waiting for parts to be delivered. There we go, and here comes the material. Now we won't need to have trucks come in here. Alright, Captain's office number 2, and that's going to require us to build another captain's office. Oh yeah, here we go. That's going to require construction 3 parts, which I don't even know if we can make those yet. I don't think I have a factory dedicated to that. Oh yeah, so assembly 3. Set up a couple of these guys and have them start making those advanced parts. to set up storage for those parts as well. We've also got some additional storage here for level 2 parts. Alright, we're just waiting for steel. Oh, okay. I gotta make steel. How do I make steel? Creates steel by blowing pure oxygen under high pressure into molten iron, lowering its carbon content. And here's a cooled caster. Okay, so molten iron. Then we need O2. How do I make O2? Air separator? Alright. So I gotta make steel first. Take your air separator. Looks like that air separator here. Let's get this urgent priority, get this built. Okay, we're gonna start making. I guess we'll bring O2 out of here. Okay, and then we've got exhaust. Alrighty. And let's see here. We're gonna need a molten channel to run to this. It looks like we can't really even elevate that. We have to build a ramp here, a vehicle ramp. Oh, I guess we can route this over here. Okay, that'll be alright. Alright, oxygen. And we just need molten iron. And we've got the exhaust. This is gonna make steel right here. Why is this not separating off? Oh, it's because this requires the channel to be properly set up, I guess. Oh, I wish this didn't work like that, but that's okay. We'll still get this fixed, and we'll get this part out of here. Alright, there we go. It would appear we need to get more iron ore through this system here. The only way that I can see to do that is to add another excavator and some additional trucks we're gonna be topping out total number of trucks that I can produce here and manage very shortly. I think I'm gonna have a backup product to produce while I'm waiting, which is gonna be these construction tube parts. So I don't really know what else to wait to build while we're waiting for parts. Alright, this is annoying. Why is this not working? Alright, toggle direction. Oh, there is a way to toggle direction. Wow. Isn't that interesting? Alright, that should fix the issue here. And no, it doesn't appear to be fixing the issue. Transported products, molten iron. What am I missing? Is this not? Oh, it's the wrong. Ah, it's the wrong connection. Okay, well this is coming out the wrong side. That's my dumbass. I guess I should have read the instructions. Okay. There we go. That should fix that. Now, bingo. All right, oxygen. Just waiting for more molten iron here. Shut off the boost here because running out of product, and there's really no reason to boost here either, as we're again running out of product. And we're waiting on molten iron. Okay, there we go. Let's get another excavator and another truck brought over here. Every one of the excavators that we've got working here has a truck. This excavator here has another truck coming its way, and there we go. Okay, oxygen furnace needs a transport to excavate the molten steel. Alright, excellent. Now, molten steel, what do I do with that then? That goes into a cooled caster, right? Yes. Takes molten steel and puts it into steel. So a cooled caster. Come on, I want to rotate this. Tree harvester, no trees to harvest. Alright, I can fix that issue. These guys set up here. We can do these little bitty trees here. Trees down here. Beautiful. Okay, casters. Let's see. Back to metal cooled casters. Okay. we also need water brought in here. And I think we can pull this water right off of this line right here. Another molten channel. And then this thing is going to be exporting steel. And that is going to go to a unit storage right here. And we'll set up a conveyor. And I'm going to set the boost on this puppy. Doing with this nitrogen? I guess we can take it and we can exhaust it, maybe? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if it'll take it in with this exhaust here. Dump it in with that. I don't know. It might not. Yeah, that doesn't appear to be a good idea. I think we're gonna set up a smokestack. Yeah, this turned out to be a bad idea. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now this is getting rid of that nitrogen, right? And we're just waiting for oxygen here. of this boost. Gonna bring these advanced parts. Alright, time to do some more research. Let's see about recycling too. I want to see about that. Yeah, that looks cool. Looks like we're getting enough coal in here. Diesel supply looks good. Oil supply not so much, but that's alright. Down to 24% oil in the reserve, so we're gonna have to get oil rolling here. I think I'm gonna shut this boost off because it doesn't really appear to be necessary. I think we should take this ore sorting plant and just move the coal right from the ore sorting plant. Get the ore sorting plant right on location. That would appear to be the wisest course of action. We don't appear to be able to store all of the food. Uh-oh. To make a vehicle ramp right here. Alright, well, we have some ideas we're going to be cutting out for the next episode here, which is to move the mining ore sorting plants right to the mines. To improve efficiency. And improve our overall production of materials. And until next time, thank you for joining us on this short episode of Captain of Industry.